Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh has said that the focus of his department will not be on footfalls of tourists, but to upscale the level of tourism in the state. On ropeways projects, Lyngdoh said there are ongoing projects and hopefully the government will be in a position to physically open them to the public in the next 6 months' time. The ongoing talks with the banned militant outfit HNLC is coming to a point of closure very soon. This was informed by the spokesperson of MDA 2.0 government and Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Friday. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said that the remaining 6 areas of differences between Assam and Meghalaya will be resolved in a peaceful manner.
So how many ropeway projects that the government is contemplating?
Right away, all I can state is that we are in the process of finalizing the state budget. So depending on the budget allocation for the Department of Tourism, depending on central funds that will be made available to us, depending on externally aided projects, cumulatively this will work into, how much we strengthen our infrastructure, ropeways or whichever way.
Declaring drug